everyone. Welcome back to the WordCraftHub, your favorite place to learn real, simple, and fun English with us.
Hi friends, I'm Puja and this is my co-host Kartik. Today we have a fun and relaxing topic, vacation.
Oh, yes, everyone loves vacations, right? So, today we are going to talk about vacation, how to plan one, how to talk about it in English, and of course, how to share your vacation stories like a native speaker.
We'll teach you real-life English phrases, useful vocabulary and simple grammar tips, all while chatting like friends.
So, grab your notebook or just sit back and relax. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, The WordCraft Hub, and share it with your English learning friends.
Ready for a vacation in English? Let's go.
So, Pooja, tell me, what comes to your mind when you hear the word vacation?
When I hear vacation, I imagine beautiful beaches, mountains, good food and lots of sleep.
Ah, yes. Sleep, the most important part of every vacation.
Exactly. But in simple words, vacation means the time when you don't work or study. You relax, travel, and enjoy with family or friends.
Perfect. So, everyone watching, repeat after us. Vacation is the time to relax and enjoy life.
Now, let's learn some key vacation words. Trip, when you go somewhere. Journey, the time you travel from one place to another. Destination, the place you want to go. Hotel, where you stay. Luggage, your bags and suitcases. Sightseeing, visiting interesting places.
Let's say them again slowly. Trip, journey, destination, hotel, luggage, sightseeing.
Good job!
Okay, Pooja, let's pretend we are planning a vacation together.
Ooh, that's fun. Where should we go?
How about Goa? It's sunny, beautiful, and full of life.
Perfect choice. I love beaches. So, step 1, choose your destination.
Right. Step 2, decide when to go.
For example, you can say, I'm going on vacation next month. We're planning to travel in December.
And step 3, book your tickets and hotel. You can say, I booked a hotel near the beach. I bought my flight tickets online.
Here's a pronunciation tip. Don't say booked, it's booked. Short and quick. Try it with me. Booked.
Great. Now, what about packing?
Yes, packing is very important. I always pack too many clothes.
Hi, same here. You can say, I'm packing my clothes. Don't forget to pack your sunglasses.
And when you're done, you can say, I'm all packed and ready to go.
Viewers, tell us in the comments, what do you pack first when you travel? Clothes, camera, snacks? Let us know below.
Okay, Kartik. Now imagine we just came back from Goa. How would we talk about our vacation in English?
That's a great question. You can start with simple sentences like, I went to Goa last week. I had an amazing time. The weather was perfect.
And you can describe your feelings too. I felt relaxed and happy. The beach was so peaceful. The food was delicious.
Let's make a short example conversation.
Hey Kartik, how was your vacation?
It was fantastic. I went to Goa with my family.
Wow, what did you do there?
We went swimming, tried local food, and visited old churches.
Sounds amazing. How long did you stay?
For 5 days. I really didn't want to come back.
That's how vacations feel. Too short.
See everyone, that's how you can talk about your trip in simple English.
You can also say, I stayed in a hotel near the sea. I met new people. I took a lot of photos.
And when you want to show excitement, say, it was awesome. I had the best time ever.
Let's learn some common types of vacations so you can describe them better.
Yes, here we go. 1. Beach vacation. You relax near the sea, swim, sunbathe, and eat seafood. 2. Mountain vacation. You go hiking, enjoy nature, and breathe fresh air. 3. City vacation. You visit museums, restaurants, and famous places. 4. Adventure vacation. You do exciting things like paragliding, trekking, or diving. 5. Staycation. You stay at home and rest, but do fun things nearby.
That's a new word, staycation. It means a vacation at home. You don't travel far, you just relax where you live.
Let's use it in a sentence. I didn't travel this year. I had a staycation.
Nice and easy. Now tell us in the comments, what's your favorite type of vacation?
Are you a beach person or a mountain person? Now it's time to learn some real English phrases you can use during your trip.
Let's do a quick phrase game. I'll say the situation and you say the phrase, okay?
All right, let's play.
Situation 1. You're checking in to a hotel.
I have a reservation under the name Kartik.
Good. Situation 2. You're at the airport.
Where is the boarding gate?
Situation 3. You're in a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please?
Situation 4. You want to take a photo.
Can you take a picture of us, please?
Situation 5. You want to buy something.
How much is this? Or can I get a discount?
These phrases are simple but powerful. They make your travel smoother and help you sound confident.
When you return from your trip, you might want to tell your friends or post online. So let's practice how to do that in English.
Start with this pattern. Last month, I went to place. It was adjective. I activity. I really enjoyed it.
Example, last month I went to the mountains. It was peaceful. I went hiking and took many photos. I really enjoyed it.
Nice. Now, viewers, it's your turn. Write your own vacation story in the comments using that same pattern. Let's quickly review a small grammar tip. When we talk about past vacations, we use past tense verbs.
Yes, like go, went, see, saw, do, did, eat, ate, have, had, buy, bought.
Perfect. So remember, when you talk about your past vacation, always use past tense verbs.
That's right. It makes your sentences sound natural and correct.
Okay, Kartik, time for something fun. Do you have a funny vacation story?
Oh, yes. Once I went to Shimla and I forgot my warm jacket. It was freezing cold.
Oh no, what did you do?
I bought a local woolen shawl and looked like a grandma the whole trip.
That's cute. My story, I once booked a hotel, but when I arrived, there were 2 hotels with the same name. I went to the wrong one.
Oh my God, that must have been confusing.
Yes, but it became a funny memory. That's what vacations are, full of stories.
Exactly. Even mistakes can become memories. Now it's your turn, dear viewers. We want you to practice speaking English in the comments.
Here are some simple questions. Answer them in English, okay? 1. Where did you go for your last vacation? 2. Who did you go with? 3. What did you do there? 4. How did you feel?
Here's an easy template you can use. Last month, I went with, we, I felt.
Example, last month I went to Delhi. I went with my family. We visited many places. I felt very happy.
Perfect. Write your answers below and we'll read some in our next video.
All right, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about what a vacation means, how to plan a vacation, how to talk about your vacation in English, useful words and phrases, a short grammar lesson on past tense, funny travel stories, and practice questions.
Here are some key phrases to remember. I'm planning a trip. I booked a hotel. I went sightseeing. I had a great time. It was awesome.
Say them again with us. I am planning a trip. I booked a hotel. I went sightseeing. I had a great time. It was awesome.
Well done, everyone.
That's all for today's episode of Let's Talk About Vacation. We hope you had fun and learned new ways to talk about your holidays in English.
Yes, don't forget to write your vacation story in the comments. And if you enjoyed this conversation, please like, subscribe, and share this video.
We have more exciting topics coming soon. Next time, we'll talk about shopping in English, real conversations you can use.
So stay tuned, stay curious, and keep learning English with us.
Only on the TheWordCraftHub.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Have a great day or maybe a great vacation.